Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see C++ data types. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. Data types are the types of data associated with operations to handle it. The data types are the types that will tell you what is the size of this variable and what is the information that the variable contains. So in this video, we are going to see fundamental data types. So there are total 5 fundamental data types are present in C++. Integer, float, Boolean, double and character. So we will go through each of them one by one and will understand how it works. So firstly, we are going to see what is integer data type. Integer are the numbers without any fractional part. So you can denote the integer data type with the help of int keyword. And after that int keyword, you can type the variable name. Suppose I have taken the variable name as LFC. So this is our data type integer. This is our variable name LFC. And this is the value that the LFC contain. Integer data types will not contain any fractional part. So we cannot add any value after decimal. So you cannot type this value in integer, because if you type also, the integer data type will select only this 1 0 10 only, and it will neglect the value after the fractional part. Now when we print this integer data type over screen, you can see output as a 10. And if we try to add any fractional part also, so I have added a fractional part, added a decimal, and after that 1 4 5 6 9 8 7. So when I run this code, integer data type will only print the value before the fractional. After the fractional value, it will not be printed. So integer data types are the types which are the numbers without any fractional part. Now we are going to see what is float and how float data type work. A number with fractional part known as a floating point number. So in integer you cannot add fractional part, but in float you can add fractional part. Suppose I have entered the number 10.0214. So now in float you can take a fractional part also and you can print over a screen. Now you can see the value after decimal also display over screen. So if you want to display value after the fractional part, then you have to select the float data type, and if you don't want to display, you can select the integer data type. Now the third data type, that is double. Double is also used to handle the floating point numbers only. So double will store the fractional part till 15 decimal digits, while float will store till 7 decimal digits only. So if you want to store the long fractional part, then you have to use the double. You have to always use double. Through double, the output will be same only, but the difference is that in float it is sufficient for storing till 7 decimal digits, while in double it is sufficient for storing up to 15 decimal digits. Only you have to change over here from float to double. That's it. Now our fourth data type is Boolean data type. Boolean data type is used to store either value true or false. True indicates the value 1 and false indicate the value 0. The size of this Boolean data type is 1 byte only. Suppose I have taken the data type bool and our value is true. So when I run this code, you will see output as 1. Now you can see the value as output as 1 because true indicates the value 1 while false indicate the value 0. Now you can see over as an output that false represent the value 0 and true indicates the value 1. And if you type any random number just like this, it will always print as a true. See, it is 1. 1 means it is a true. So in this way Boolean data type work. Boolean data type is used to store either true values or false values. Now we are going to see the last data type, that is character data type. Character data type is used to store a single character, letter or number or an ASCII value. So suppose if you want to store any one of this, then you have to select character, variable name is LFC, and you can put value as A. So when I run this code, the output will be A. Now if you want as a small a, and when you run this code, the output will be small a. You can take any of these alphabets. If you want to store alphabets, you can use character data type. Suppose I want to store P, and when I run this code, you can see as output as a P. So these are the 5 fundamental data types that are present in C++: integer, float, double, boolean, and character. I have given you the basic example how these data types work in C++. You can try in your compiler, and you can try this functioning. You can try different data types, and you can try different inputs also. When you try, it will clear your concept regarding C++ data types. And if you want to go through the theory part, then you can go to our website letsfindcourse.com, and you can select C++ data type over here. You can learn each and every concept regarding C++ data type over here. These are the 5 data types: integer, float, double, boolean, character. And these are the this we have given a description with the help of one example also. So if you want to learn, if you want to go to the theory part, I will put the link of this page in a description box below. You can go and you can see, and you can learn the C++ data type from here also. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with everyone who wants to learn C++. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.